Ghana Scholarship Secretariat ano na adeɛ baako a mɛka ne sɛ ɛnyɛ te sɛ ɔwɔ ha nti na mɛka na adeɛ baako a mehu ɛwɔ Nhyira President John Mahama na appointees ne sɛ ɔmo yɛ hard workers obiara ni hɔ a especially asante memu hɔ a yɛyi ɔmo obiara yɛ hard worker Franka Mwakohene enna Abbas enna Asafoje kyɛ sɛ obiara consistently and Asafoje ama ya kyerɛ sɛ deɛ na yɛbrɛ ni nyinaa no na yɛka sɛ yɛpɛsi yɛhu no ɛno bi na ɔyɛ because in himself Ghana Scholarship Secretariat na problem bebree aba ba papa ba yɛ ɛka ɛda hɔ ne nneɛma a ɛkɔ soɔ ɛnso ɛka no mu no otimi ɛde n'anim onyam kan kɛte si President John Dramani Mahama pushing for a lot of scholarship opportunities abrochire bebia Africa bebia papa eguso ye wasade nhyehyɛ bebree aba na enim de eboa first years de eboa second years de eboa police de eboa nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ for the first time yenya president a say scholarship yenso nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ no akwanya wɔ hɔ se yetimi kra timi de bi kɔ yanim yewo de eboa special one kra scholarship for the Zongos special one o ebinsida afei so de CBA no nso no omamu da hɔ fine first na minim MPP for omo to scholarship free MPP for that was how wicked some of them were MPP for ni bio no man kasam for MPP no more ton scholarship no Nhyira Asafoje baye sebi anko betimi aton scholarship but there wo bia no de aba beto dwa oso obi apply enye NDC ni MPP asem we MPP ni we NDC ni a onimo eye Ghana kese wu se ya no ani agye se unim nipa no na ongu wani ase se ye won paibo bia yembo ema Nhyira John Mahama se wa appoint Nhyira Asafoje for this because transparency or the aba ho no me to de bi kra na mani agye abroso and for me I thank God see nya mabunu a omuden satraye be che se Ghana ye wodache Nhyira Asafoje mache
me do so menua
bibia boko
o nyame adom eguso kakra akra
but omundu me condition kakra nyesa mewu awo no mewu chese mewu obeso okumi chese wu kumi e komi mu nu nse komi mu we ye before nyame nhyira ene adwuma a wo ye hunu wa akire yete nim say present intending come but anytime I see enyoma a wokoso no I'm glad they say enyoma but before then no ye nana atoni benkum so na no nso yenya ndi asem no kura nwie I mean your initial reaction
asem na but that day na incident this year na that the same day na me military hierarchy no meeting I'll show you the pictures after that same Wednesday and there was a chief of defense staff ba meeting be
yeah
nti yet meeting mo twen so obeba na communication by say onya crisis meeting omanka adekro but ono no onya crisis meeting bi nti wontimi mba ye meeting no
okay
nti ye to aso ye bibia wie twitwa pictures nti me ko tena ka mu ansa na obi tia me na so say ye say helicopter bia crash wo oboase mpatam na government officials bi wo but o man kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ asemesi ana obenti
enti woni omudi nkɔmɔ na mo siri ni
na obi anka hwe
so just na anka hwe
o man show bibia and that tells you how strong very professional because I yet anka meeting wie if they had broken the news to me na me to me nya that frame of mind into me meeting they kept their cool as if nothing was happening the omo kan to CDS intimi join because or check crisis meeting.
Wow.
Nti ye bibia wie minim hwe.
Ama discuss say
ye bibia kama wie crowd musu breakfast bi wo ho nti nka ye benum bia e na me kra me dum tell me the breakfast na me me ko pemfufu abi ye pie anim wa twitwa pictures
asra wie
aye bibia wie afi de me kofro me kansa na me ti say yes helicopter bi a crash wo boase mpatemu na government officials bi wo enti me nam kwan so me ya nam ka kire driver nto mfa me nkofie ko na ho na me tie me ya nam se mfa me nkofie me nko office bi ti ye ko na course ne ba nam so me ye bi frɛ ebuza ye hwan ne hwan sa ti me panic sa akɔ me me kodu fie initially crowd o mo ka se mu ntaka nam se bue on the first report na so I was like how enti ye na afi no me settle ansa na e ba se enye mu ntaka na mu ntaka ye okay o office ti na afi ya be o ye hwan a church na mu ze military for no so issue statement acknowledge say bibi say ansana rumor later yet say yankasa ye bibia Dr. Maneboama Dr. Mutala me papa Dr. Samuel Sapo ena oboase aboaje ena military force wa na omo ka ho na say asem no amfa yie kura ne Dr. Muniru na de metimi aka ne say me kura menka Dr. Sapon ne Dr. Manem wo immediate family hon still no I am said they so die so you can only imagine the pain omo ben it say na ire ne ma so ube sorry anopa say nka bi nhemu de wonim so okwa adwuma aba na wakra emu oya and then na sa ewo we no even though enipa wu but that way in particular you are your wishima even your greatest enemy. Meaning say what I get it. Quite no I sound fast so no cry no emo ya pa. And it put some fear in all of us as appointees.
Yeah, you're a human being.
Because this year my fly twice. 3 times, but my recent one no anko ya mama me imagine say I come to there. Turbulence
we say what than any generally
turbulence
and none of plane crash be
turbulence no ntime
Rutos nana make it announcement plane crash
ya de mekan say abusua no mo mu nyina hyede ne yako emu oya I don't know I mean yes sure say if ebe ya no be free my sisi
David
especially cry my person me come be but let me just
I get it.
And so we will be our shadow Dr. Maneboama in a dinko. You appreciate Nipa Oye in terms of Nyansa nim dear ye analysis. But ye kaka they are not coming back. Until they can say Mubusia shed in the Yako. Now, my Quenya is so ama Sabe Yura Utufo. So Yako, no Ankasa Ninia Ba Nanaye or him man. And our free Timima Abusia Nina or Yoku family Nina Yako, and man Shafu Yako. Na Bibia Mammy, and I am 98. Conan means and a man for a can was him say, Yes, I'm called a chin and coffee to Timpo, and no crack. But in all this, no, as a you see, other countries they control the algorithm of their social media space. But yeah, the idea now, Nana Jantwa, yeah, now I am not a shapey generation so. Ubehuna ubi, we nyasa me canon a bonus, but bloggers beat me up boy and kakra. They seem to glorify things and for so be a niso name no and no momum boa society no. Yeah. Obi tu kakra kanti da bia na yede ho asema beto so and so wahye bikini ubebi na ne pictures nude pictures na yede ato all of a sudden the person feels like or a celebrity. So if you are in a society na dwanto obeba betena radio so obekanya asase me wo wiase mu nyina ye pay attention but obi to sonti yes you are a celebrity na omu bloggers promote sa no mana sebe what do you expect? Obi kwa country kra bebra na ye PS no kra country bebra ye say ye wanumafu e na kwa de ye titini dodo with the classy level now on the who what is your definition of an BA? You can't be near BA. When you're being say audit your own values and customs. When you're be no. And they say one kasa one mamre one money and all to action and no ye define it as obi near B.
Right.
At least and ne cry say yeah the balance diet about ye church and no. People are dying more early than before. Yeah. So the question as a society was able to say when they say then where did we get it wrong? Because baby time now say a uniform and be on a balanced diet cry
yeah.
Now you're 95, 98, 102, Obi kura 112.
Yeah.
Obi kura to me 120.
Yeah.
But a yes a balanced diet and the biaba. And this was a question when I was in UDS. I asked one of my lecturers, say balanced diet in the biaba, but an a wuntem.
Chain.
But time a balanced diet in the hono. Yen ananum so check. So a tro say BB nkoye.
Yeah.
A tro say BB ya jai ya free kwan bi so anafes ye nam so.
Yeah.
What you say in Japan in the last so many years, like 40-50 years, I'm told, maternal mortality untibi. Untibi.
Yeah.
Maternal say obi kwa wo so wakaku untibi. Enti a trouse and obi kwa wu at 8-7 you say a friend what a shock because of our lifestyle. But if you say eating junk foods, men say will be a juma, but eating junk foods near the adin chess when you be because you can afford to buy the pizza, you can afford to buy the fried all chicken and all minimum what you say. So your society now because we have to look at it carefully. And they will be a juma. And let me share this story. UDS. There was this young man or Fiona Busan or Juma Ben or so a carpenter near Busan both. Starting to know Markov Bana Kofa carpenter. Meanwhile, this is a young guy or into furniture, to say Pogas.
Yeah.
Or into furniture those days, ultimate tone set and you are 3,000, 3,005. Uska. But say yes, or a carpenter into Busan a boof. Ojaya Jumano call. Prisons almost for a technical person and the salary couldn't do 2,000. The salary couldn't do 2,000, but just because of a uniform, no. Now I'm born attacking now, washing a child at Chiana Concha. I'm not saying, but and your pnema or your ban one day. It tells you the kind of society are you.
Right.
Abandonment to me, my own year. I just all venture into business.
That's true.
Chemisicania or that pay rules. Tell me any rich person anyone one running a business but other pay rules. So me feel say society no yeah sunshine here
right
and a TikTok almost a year so na midnight
basa
which is but utu kwan so you see say your algorithm has changed. Ubie ewo UK obe say normal hu ye different ubie wo Ghana normal hu ye different
omunimo
say what you say and minim say obi ti say Yewura Sam George or the one minim no sa normal we me feel say ekoso kan obesom.
That's true.
Enya sa emo na ma atem didie ekoso bebre no.
That's true
because obi hu say oye wanya followers. So what you say, but control mechanisms be that is not to gag anybody. But insult in your DBR even
it has to be encouraged.
It has to be encouraged.
That's okay. Yeah, because we have like 15 minutes to wrap up. My young scholarship, the new things now what they are bano. Na yenti asiye ye minim se owo nhihye bebre ema obia enti boy.
Okay. So this year local tertiary scholarships no. In total of about 5,000 to 6,000. Na ya chemu mienu on say Yewura Mahama swearing in on the 71st State of the Nation's address or make a profound statement. Say the problem pa a war scholarship and say yentimi en target or more here scholarship na ankasa na menim so what ya say.
Yeah.
Na no na ye friend Portocas and brilliant but needy students no. Enti obi wo wa ono na ahia no na ono mumpe scholarship na wonya na omo nsam wo bi na anka ebi kra wanya scholarship ono abetimi ahwe ne ho no ono no mum no etimi fine ni we bitimi tua bribe so otimi eden ono mum anya na hia den ni ekoso tifie.
Yeah.
Die ya wo mu ni se nana obi a ni fie sika ni ho na owo pepa so opeso to ani school so no ni only hope and education because say nipa no na adwen nyina ne say so otimi nya akonya ko school dia no nya krata bi kita say certificate anya hwe odi ni tipempem a one day obi be hu ne mobo afa na adwuma na bosome so a wanya bi e de akona no no otimi so asesa efia wo free mu no say na wate ase enti me so me fato makoma so say dia o mampani no enhye ya wa ya to na no e wo say me so me de ya adwuma enti this year for the first time no, what we have done is a local tertiary almost 5,000 to 6,000 na year and you see them 2,000 because you see them 2,000 na the metre ni say you jamu 2,000 and no the they ma brilliant but needful na eno no enya dia scholarship secretariat me me nsa kra be wuram a determine say yemfa ma na dwanto ana yemfa ma odisika na say yemfa ma okukuseku. It is going to be administered on our behalf by the faculties. Enti eno no ye jai e de ama technical committee bia omo na ebe hie universities no na oma 2,000 no K University dodo say na mo Legon dodo say na mo UDS dodo say na mo UCC dodo say na mo de enti eye ne sa ne say me asafo agemi sori a me de me ko adwuma me team office na me ye madwuma but lecturers no and any students in nete our nim other minim K University, but I can speak to that of University of Ghana. Omo student aid. Yeah. Text.
Okay, to be in Sakra.
Enti omo na nim students a omo wa hu kirem e wa hu hia mo sika ni fie. Omo be hia samoa no.
Right.
Enti e na omo so na nim students no transcripts and academic progress omo nim students a omo fie ni bi na so omo wo pepa so mbe bo omo ho modern.
Yeah.
Na Lord Buddha can sing be or say your mind cannot be peaceful. Abra where basic needs no unya.
A common day while we're very waiting.
So what you say? Enti ye jai the ama or more faculties no investing in panifon so more based on data. Okwa treasurer na accounts you know say student we or a struggling student sika ni fia afibia no fees no so obetu akra adding but then o hwe na academic progress or you be obo no modern we nya say me ka no ukodi school fees na say odi to aso semesters ana waba say we brilliant but need nya sa na go academic performance no be sure
so be come
enti ye jai the ama wo mo and let me say it is devoid of political interference. Because the technical committee is made up of non-politicians. Non-politicians. Now, me patch our Love FM say, person me do but for credibility and confidence in sometimes we didn't need to do a bois. To where the prof me powacho. Now confuse my powacho. The chair committee no Professor Raymond Tuguba.
Hey, you on there.
Say uni
on the untimi nkran na Kofi nso
kwa ya na Kofi Asare Edu Watch ono so also and three others say what you say and so these are non-politicians omo MPP NDC and mu school mu dada and so we will not know whether you are MPP or NDC
and ye musa because
and you're part of the eligibility criteria
nti we ni nya ade a obi kra be sasafoje fa me baka ho because unse kra
there
o de any say omoda select no maba
omoda aba no mama a report ni ehun say 2,000 these are the list of beneficiaries
nti 2,000 be ye continuing students
because no fee stress policy no ama say no obia ni wa o fee a person ko tertiary institution blockade bi da ho because rama a free whether a college of education and nursing training a free and as a technical university so far as a public no a free and what GSS is doing is say first year form be qualify pay or more private schools private universities and tertiary institutions or more benefited from no fee stress policy it was limited to the public tertiary institutions and for public ones and they are from level 200 echo and I be our college of education from more second year echo nti basically no enhyehyɛ no obi busa say na 3,000 na aka no ye den adentina yamfa ni nyina ma brilliant but need de enchiremu ne se ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo nso ɔmampani so ɛbɛfa akonnwa no ɔhyɛbɔ or make commitment for instance na no yɛ ankramofo yɛ nuanom kramofo di ɔmo salary me yɛ sure sɛ ɔte sɛ wabɔ me din wɔ hɔ sɛ wabɔ mamaneɛ sɛ menhwɛ na yenye enhyehyɛ sonko fama ye nuane muslimifo enti out of 3,000 ye CD no so mu 200 no no de ekɔ ye nuane muslimifo no ho.
That's good.
No no ye were 2 representatives from Chief Imam office and ye were 2 representatives from Islamic Students Union,
right,
and ye were 2 representatives from Inner Cities and Zongo Development,
right,
and I pay 2 representatives so free Muslimi Kuba so
right.
So it will be an 8-member committee to see to the implementation of almost a special allocation. However, the opportunity to also come and compete
with the
others for the rest of it.
Okay. Nti we quote be a day ma zongos, but still no.
Oh yeah, zongo ni ultimately sabe apply for the rest
because e bia no enya we.
Say what you say because 200 need say enso. But eno dey we want to be sure say eno say 200 need dey come and now ye dey am. In fact, me ne Algerian ambassador nye engagement. Na me also omo ho no mo special institutions say training imams.
Okay.
Enti menene kaye, but this is the first time to auction me boss say obe prayer so obetime nya kakra de amamia. Ye pem so for the first time no last week no obebo mama na say watimi enya 5.
Nice.
Bad watimi enya 5. Enti eno no de ye for ye nuanom omo pese omo ye Islamic scholars. The criteria na say 1 I was all you be a watimi recite Quran. 2 also Arabic kasa no utimi uye obi a wote. Once o qualify we nko ade no so ye de ma committee na implement Muslims you know. So they will determine a 7-year program. And also so aban no Algeria aban na be hwe kama uni problem bia uwia no abas an Islamic scholar. Hopefully next year slot no be call animu enye Algeria for nkwa na me no mu di sankita ho no. Me ne Qatar for ne quite couple of the countries they didn't come. I will say betimi anya bia ka ho a. O de no to nchen a omampani hye bo se ye mboa ye nuanom sentrofo. Enti eno no so we na bi ne de behwe wo mo. Ena
is a feed the yen sentrofo so be scholarship.
Exactly.
Aye. Me be apply media me kan wo na hu se media mbema me nso me ye be apply ni akwa scholarship yeso yen sentrofo. Tin sentrofo a mo Ghana nyina no you say yenya president or so no so ba behwe.
Yes.
And it is also co school take advantage. Yon sentrofo bebre wo ho a omutifie bia improve up first degree, second degree now wo pe bia ka ho. Odi ase an tu yen semtroni a akwanya nso no apply na eja akwanya nso ba enye mu nyina na menya bi enye nyina na ibenya bi ne mu de obenya no at least ye hu say ye nua bi wo ho a abina sponsor so yen semtroni ono nso nkosua de.
The rationale is that you have a lot of reach. And this is cyber security and artificial intelligence and robotics. Now see the Biafra, you spend just 10-15 minutes of your time educating people on cyber security. Some mobile money fraud, it will reduce over time.
That's true.
And so the benefit of money in return enormous. And yet, say, Nana Jantuana Akoni school personal BKK. You get it. That is the rationale. Now, Omampani Sasha say TVET instructors. So, you're more on special location. No more Fanko.
I'm not sure about that.
What you say? Into Nina
technical vocation, son.
Yes.
I was on the crowd, you're training more.
In fact, I'm glad to say
training more.
Algeria scholarship now may advertise as a one. A lot of technical and vocational programs for the first time. For the first time. And mami for akwanya isu na me da ambassador na si yi pa. Em say nkoma me ne start ye nyina wo tu ho anamo.
Right.
Because I was specific about the training programs and mama a lot of
them. Like a lot of inside ne POP ne plumbing ne
exactly. It be a 6 months, it be a 1 year. And no dey nya tintin bia nti wo ya na wasan ba na dey abeye adwuma.
That's perfect.
And also omampani san shebo say yemboa lecturers na chechefo no mo nursing training no.
Okay.
Enti onabo akando tweme den na no frame say obema ni HR na be hia me na.
No.
Ba beje na ade.
Oyinipa.
Ena military and an American one also say military for no National Defense University.
Okay.
And Chebia and on never running all the security programs.
That's perfect.
And that day now, I know Mudi come happened to be that Black Wednesday. And almost so on say such training, Ubenya like a military for na nature. But I'm saying I say in the current or more far lecturers need be from outside. So then she say me person so me no mo the boy university and say ye be hwe PhD students ni bi. Now almost akwa security programs no. Then omo wie na they will be bonded to come and lecture at the university. So over a certain period no ye benya lecturers or more National Defense University wa almost a military for so that they don't have to go outside and pay people to come and do that.
That's good.
And a police force also.
Police, okay.
And so we were manifesto him. So I met with IGP Ora Yohunu.
Yeah.
And I discuss ebimu bekwa short programs. Ebimu so we are trying to even have an MOU one of the foreign universities no. Me say ye nwie ntimi modi. Said ebeya ye need defense ne interior and GSS and that institution. Ebeya that 5-party MOU where you have our security drawn from police, army, other ones. No,
but we need those intelligence.
Because on the crime they evolve over time, so you have to also speed up.
Exactly.
So I've met with customs boss, I've met with people, BNI, and your friend NIB Machia Munina, Yasa and Shisha, that was all. 3,000 nimu na ede ebe take care of we nyina. Then others no also compete in the 3,000. Let me state say your focus you on STEM. On STEM,
science,
IT,
technology,
engineering and mathematics. Then we have IT and then law.
Yeah, law, okay.
IT and then law. And so scholarship we are here share 70% STEM focused and 30% humanities.
That's perfect. I think so far for me, and she say this is the first time I mean clarity. Sad because scholarship na ko bebre wonwuna no bi okra na courses bi okra na when said the huna ehun sem bebre obi na kire kra say ye gini sika be $6,000 at that time was it 2020 ye gini sika $6,000 that guy Fabra from
enti nana we kra ebeboa me pa on say amanfo dada amanfo say obi a minimum asafo agye me ya adwuma scholarship secretary o say ye pese you so anas principal no che omu nyina
okay
enti say obu nyame ya adom na obi timi frɛ o say obeboa wo manisika o de wo so dada nipa na you so anas principal no timi video no ana timi twa ne picture WhatsApp number we 0559 285 646
but your number ni bi
0559 285 646.
Okay.
A dedicated number, I know, because a tablet in that cybercrime unit in the CID for her.
So, Obia, what do you
say on now because we are more secretariat to her into Chiescaman obey me up Boama Wenya. Oh, dear, oh, qua. And this force will even qua and I know what done for being caught. No man in Teba be moving come on our own video, no China's principle. And just forward the video straight, a call police for no direct. Yes, we are better tracking the panel. Na ya channel. Man say account be on Instagram. Or following. Our move a man for G application fee. NG application fee. We are supporting the needy. Into NG application fee. But Ottawa charge 500 cedis bu a man for. So you can imagine the number of people on for the victim. You need any handle on Instagram.
Okay.
Scholarship secretariat, you need any handle on Instagram. And you can say now, don't go and fall victim to it. Application cry online and send area your interview or district wa be choose. Wa hwe district ben wo. Enti emo obi nkwose ba bi na da wo say onu betimi aboa ama wanya scholarship. It is meme time bibia sa ni ho.
Right.
Because from next year courses are running Ghana ha. Obia ntimi nkoye bi wa abruchire.
Yeah. No.
It's good. Ntimi nkoba say o se ukoye MBA, yemfa wonko US no. Ukoye political science, yemfa man say KNUST age the best business. Exactly. So I don't think ntimi nye wa ha. Enti ansa na obeka say yen support you e ma wonko program e wa amanone no. Na ya raise bar no. either you are going to do artificial intelligence, robotics, or any specialized program under medicine. On the momo the end there, and you know the bit me and sometimes no caveat kakran say but capacity niswa they are one institution pen and maybe they can only admit 100 or 50 at a go. It's a limited we can look at it, but the policy is that for programs that are available in Ghana, no foreign scholarship from next year will be given to anybody. And Nana believe he said this is the time I was say empower a local institution.
No.
UK for the omoka almost 40 million pounds, which runs into almost 1 billion Ghana cedis. Imagine say out of 1 billion, yeah, the KNUST 200 million.
They are can.
Oh dear, na yentuyama KNUST. Infrastructural expansion on betimi dia equipment on betimi dia to e build school no time bia so yes here kwa brochira kosua de adan a ye ni facilities na say one build school na ama increasing the revenue obey den no watimi ayesa ade na wo kan no so in law you can be say there must be an end to litigation. Me believe say time I was here support to your local institution near build more capacity more revenue. Said the bear almost bet me I live up to the standards if you say what no and the sad time behind I was say yes chassis na adwuma me de ma wonye brilliant but needy for na
da ho wo ka say nyina no
na anya we Peter they were calling the aba call land number Peter a young guy onya 7A's 1B owie Pope Jones and na ne ma me nya stroke no 3 years ago and na ne papa so ani afra e do no na na ton sachet water edihwe ne papa ko papa ni tifia na ni afra enti obi na draw my attention papa ni ni
ye show social media
and na omo abrofu bi advertised STEM summer camp program ti oba ye no be apply na ye bibia na abrofu no so interview no ye one omo send Peter credentials ba say on na demonstrate say o qualify enti wako obedu last week na rehu say me wom ni say O2 kwan no make akra wo se agume ada O2 ye no 2 days time na papa ni jam and it was like papa no eti wo twen as obi be so ne bani mama ne keke ada Peter 2 ye ja ne kwan wo kotoka O2 ye 2 days and na papa ni free
wow
timi no ka say afi na media kira ye hwe say ye bezima ayem toto ye na enti Peter de mafana as me personal responsibility or Nigerian scholarship my catcher is on apply because I more than qualified now on medicine the entire me raise say me no want to kwane say we need such or the brilliant but need for the bu okra we do it say akonya no wo say wo na na obetimi scout bia ba
me yama
wo de akwala de hia ni say wa pass because our Nigerian scholarship me say yem for be 15 only bie for ma ben na for on kom ko engineering no mkoy artificial intelligence ne mra mkoy medicine ne mra na se be omusu ntimi mesesa on fie eno na be ma miasafo ajesu meto am satisfied say sa insurance em na o mabusuafo be ka say nyame insurance asafo aje no eno na be ma menyini kire eno ana ye hwehwe
me yama fa che me na
eti ye kasa kura wa he we brilliant but needia na wa pass ya and note ye be validate your information we Peter de na also ye qualify for baby so we do that in fake results from farmer what passing now what passing kwa wo the branch FM front desk mona ehia mona president ma se ye nso masene na wo the mo for results
oba no aben a wo the fa ne oba wo the trumidin forward to Nana Jantoa so oba na ben na ohia supporter oba aha wo the fa Nana Jantoa never share envelope mu na bibia nye okay
the aka no ye chire ho na ye wonko a
munya no
enya wonko a o
enya ono mo beti ase yes ka na
e John say Absa Bank na